The best apple pie that melts in your mouth. Let's get started on what might just become your new favorite dessert. First, I'm going to crack 3 eggs into this bowl and add 1 cup of sugar. Give it a good mix until everything is fully combined. Trust me, this recipe is about to blow you away with how delicious it turns out. Next up, I'll pour in ½ a cup of melted butter and ½ a cup of milk. Mix again to make sure all those ingredients are perfectly blended together. Oh, quick pause here. If you're watching right now, drop me a comment below. I love giving shout outs to our amazing viewers. Now let's sift in 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. This step ensures we get that smooth, lump-free texture we're aiming for. Once you try this dish, you'll see why people around the world consider it one of the ultimate comfort desserts. Recipes like this have a way of becoming instant family favorites, and I think you'll agree once you take your first bite. Keep mixing until the batter reaches a silky, even consistency. While I do that, let me know in the comments, do you have a go-to apple dessert, maybe a classic pie or something unique? I'd love to hear about your favorites. Today's shout out goes to Nora Hayes from Chicago, USA. Thank you so much for tuning in and supporting our channel. To add an even more special touch, I'm going to add ½ a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. It's optional, but I highly recommend it because I love the flavor it adds. Now comes the star ingredient, apples. Grab 3 fresh apples, peel them if you'd like, and slice them into small pieces. Back to our pie. I'll toss these apple slices right into the mixture and give it a gentle stir. It's already starting to smell irresistible, isn't it? To bring everything together, I'll sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix again. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. The fewer ingredients, the better the flavor shines through. Now let's transfer our batter to a metal pan that's been generously greased with butter and dusted with flour. All right, time to bake. Pop this beauty into the oven at 350 degrees for 50 minutes. Once it's golden brown and fragrant, carefully remove it from the pan. For the finishing touch, I'll dust a little powdered sugar over the top. It adds a hint of sweetness and makes the whole thing look picture perfect. Every slice offers the perfect balance between a light, fluffy crust and a creamy, spiced apple filling. And for an extra special twist, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon over the top before serving. There you have it, a melt-in-your-mouth apple dessert that's as easy to make as it is unforgettable. Serve it warm, share it with loved ones, and watch the smiles appear. Enjoy.